Saan na naman mga ka-YouTube? May bulang. Lalaro na naman tayo ng Five Nights at Freddy's. Pero mismo, literal. Low lang boses ko kasi may iba na natulog dito. So, let's go. Start na natin. Start the new game. Yes. Sige. Freddy's Fazbear Pizza. Okay, start na tayo. Yun pala guys, ang gano'n sabi 11. Hindi nyo makita. Hindi nyo makita. Yeah. Search na tayo. Okay, yung ilaw. Ito sila. Asan yan? Hello.
I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting
Yung
from the
manok
company
nakakatakot
that I'm supposed to read.
nakatakot ba
It's
ito?
kind of a legal thing, you know.
Ano yun?
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. A
Gulat ako
magical
nun
place for kids and grown-ups alike.
Okay.
Fantasy and fun comes
So, wala pa
alive.
naman ng start.
Entertainment is not
Okay,
responsible for
great
damage
naman.
to property or
Goods
person.
naman.
Upon discovering the damage or
Freddy,
death
Last
has
of
occurred,
Freddy.
a missing person report
Last
will
of
be filed
Freddy.
within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and
Okay.
bleached.
Hanap lang
Harmless
tayo
have been
dito.
replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know. But there's really nothing to
Gusto
worry
natin
about.
nagsasalita pa
The
din
animatronic
sila
characters here do get a bit
low
quirky
quality
at
one
night,
or
but do I blame
AirPods.
them? No. If I
So,
were
yeah.
forced to sing those same stupid
And
songs
then
for
dito.
20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a
Wala
bit
naman.
irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special
Ano yun?
place in the hearts of children.
Nagulat ako.
You need to show them a little respect.
Okay, sila
right?
Chica,
So
Bunny,
just be
Freddy,
aware,
Goods pa
the
naman.
characters do tend
Wala
to
pa namang
wander
masama
a bit.
dito.
They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of
Isa pa
87.
dito.
Yeah,
Yan.
it's amazing that the human
Sorry,
body
may
can live
bulang.
without the frontal lobe, you know.
Yan lahat pa
Now,
naman.
concerning your
Kailan
safety,
tayo
the only
mag-yap-yap
real
naman
risk
kung
to
ano.
you
Ayop
as
na
a
to.
night watchman here, if any,
Kailan tayo?
the fact that these characters,
Time-lapse.
if they happen to
Time-lapse
see
muna
you
tayo,
after
guys.
hours, probably won't recognize you as a person.
Joke lang. Hindi ako ng time-lapse. Tagal eh. Tagal mag-start. Wala pa naman sila dito eh.
They'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit.
Wala pa silang
It
Bunny.
wouldn't be so bad if the
Si
suits
Freddy
themselves weren't
dito.
filled with
Si
crossbeams, wires,
Galit na
and
tayo.
devices.
Ano kaya nangyari kung nawala yung battery, no?
So you
Ay,
can
nawala
imagine
yung
how having
power
your head forced
sa left
to be
natin,
pressed
yun.
inside one of those would cause a bit
Mukhang
of
may
discomfort and death.
Dinner pa tayo guys, di pa alam gagawin
The
ko.
only parts of you that would
Yeah.
like to see the light of day again
So,
would be your
hindi
eyeballs.
lang tayo. Tapos sip na ito.
Yeah, they don't tell you these things.
So,
inside.
remind ulit kayo guys.
But hey, first things
267,
breeze.
67.
I'll chat with you tomorrow.
Okay.
Check those cameras and remember
Serious
to
na
close
serious
the
na.
doors only if absolutely necessary.
Naloko lang boses.
Gotta conserve
So,
power.
tulong dito.
Alright, good night.
So, yeah. Yun lang. Okay, start na. Okay, si Freddy. Nandyan. Si Freddy nandyan. Okay. Ano yun? Okay, wala pa naman siya. Wala pa naman si Freddy. Sila, Foxy. Di ko pa naman makaharap si Foxy kung ano mabilis siya. Hindi ko mahanap siya eh. Hindi ko ma-caught up. So, hanap na natin. Dito, wala sila dito. Hanap natin sila. Okay. Uy, ba dito? Bunny nandito. Nagugulat. Chica. Bunny. Wala sila Bunny dito, diba? Bunny nag-teleport. Ang bilis naman ah. Okay, Bunny. Stay put ka lang dyan. Baka stay like a good boy. Uy, nawala. 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 Asan siya? Nawala siya. Patulong. Asan? Nawala sila. Wait lang. Ah! Bani talaga, isa ka pa. Kakagulat eh. Kala mo kung sino. Bani ang kulit eh. Uy, ayun. Ano yun? Guys, kinakabahan ako. Napapawis ako ngayon, guys. Pero hindi ko... Okay, guys. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Nawawala sila. Okay, safe. Ano po yung sound na yun? Nakakatakot. Hindi ko na kaya, guys, ang ano, dilim pa, tas paano yun dito? Yawards ka. Sige ka, nawawala. Okay, guys. Tinesting ko, guys. Papawis na. Grabe. Partida 11 pa oh. Grabe, guys. So yun lang. May chance pa din ako lalaro ng next video. So see ya sa next video. And yun, may school pa ako bukas. Maaga kung sa mo gulang. Sige. Bye bye.